Next topic is structures in C++. The learning objective of this video is to understand the need for structures, to understand the C++ syntax for structures, to write C++ program using structures for a given problem. The key concepts covered in this video are structures in C++, syntax for creating structure variable, and accessing the members of a structure. In C and C++, array is used for declaring a variable that combines several data items of same kind. Similarly, we have another concept called structure. It is also called as a user-defined data type, where you can combine data items of different type as a group. It is more suitable for representing a record. Here there are some examples. We have a book record where we are combining the items title, author, cost, domain, edition, publisher. And the second example is an account where the members could be account number, holder name, balance. For employee record, we can have name, age, employee ID, salary, etc. So for creating record type in your programming, you can use structures. The general format for declaring a structure is given here. The keyword for structure declaration is struct, followed by the name of the structure. So struct, this is the struct tag name. Within curly braces, we list out all the members. Here the member declaration is nothing but variable declaration. And after closing curly braces, if you want, you can list out one or more structure variables. And these structure variables are used for accessing the members of a structure. For example, struct book, and the first member is a title. The data type of this variable is character of array. So the size of this array is 30. Next member is an author. It is also an array of character of size 30. Domain is the third member, whose data type is character of size 30. And the next member is book ID, and its type is integer. And the structure declaration ends with semicolon. This is a sample program for declaring a structure and accessing members of a structure. Using include section is for including all necessary standard library functions, and we declare the structure using the struct keyword, struct followed by then structure tag name, and list out all the members, and close the structure declaration with a semicolon. And in the main function, we have to create the structure variable if you want to access the members of a structure. So here I am declaring a variable called B1 for the structure book. And to access the members of structure, we give the structure variable name followed by the dot operator, next the member name. The first member is the title, so I am accessing the member B1 dot title. And the next member is author, so B1 dot author, B1 dot domain, B1 dot book ID. Like that, for displaying the value B1 dot title, B1 dot author, B1 dot domain, B1 dot book ID. So if you want to access the members of your structure, use the dot operator along with structure variable name. And this is a sample input for book name. If you give C programming, author name Robert, domain name CSE, book ID. And sample output will be like this. And by default, all members of a structures are public, and it can be accessible using structure variable anywhere in the program. Structure members can be of any data type, including another structure. That means a nested structure. Similar to other built-in data types, we can have array of structures. Example, book B of 10. And the structures can also be passed to a function using different mechanisms: call by value, call by reference, and call by address. Similarly, structures can be returned from functions. Structures members can also be passed to a function individually. And you try these exercises. Write a C++ program to perform the following arithmetic operations of your complex number using a structure: to add two complex number and to multiply two complex number. And the second problem is to write a C++ program to store the students' informations like name, roll number, height, and weight. Use functions and array of structures to get the details of 5 students. Also include a function to sort them in ascending order using the field height. Print the result in neat format. Thank you.